Hello, welcome to Athletic Ballroom Dance. Today we did something interesting. It was death by burpee medium, parentheses. Why? Because there are two other versions that we haven't done yet, but we will. This medium part comes in the sense of we started with 5 burpees. Every minute that passes, we add one more. We went from 5 all the way to 10, and then went back to 5. But instead of doing 5, we did 10 at the end, because you guys killed it. So, what's gonna happen now is the same. It's gonna be, first minute, you start with 5 burpees. Second minute, 6, 7 minutes, third minute, 7, and so on all the way to 10, and then come back down to 5. If you feel you can do more, go for 10 at the very end. But that's basically the exercise. I don't have anything else to tell you, but just be sure to do your burpees. Do you want me to show you a burpee? So here it goes. Leave the floor. Come down to your push-up. Now, you can do a sprawl push-up where as soon as you come to this position, you just come down all the way to the floor and then just come back up. Or from here, you go into your regular push-up, down, up, coming back up, and all the way up to your jump. Nothing too crazy, but it does get crazy the more you accumulate those burpees. If you're insane and you want to take it to the next level, instead of adding more burpees, just cut the time. So you're gonna have, let's say 30 seconds or 45 seconds to complete as many reps as you can. Not as many reps as you can. So you go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So you're gonna have 30 seconds or 45 seconds to do that. That's up to you. Kill it. And as always, keep dancing, have a great workout, and I'll see you in the next video.